Did you know that in Italy we have a Christmas witch? It's true! In Italy we have a Christmas witch that celebrates the end, the 12th day of Christmas. It's called La Befana. La Befana viene di notte, etc. It's folklore. It's a mythical creature, the Christmas witch. She always smiles and she always brings you little trinkets and cute things to celebrate the year that has gone by. It's so fun because the kids look forward to it. You don't just have Christmas Day. That's the beginning of Christmas because all the way until the morning of January 6th. And if you've been good, she knows it. She comes through the chimney. She's all dusty with a little broom. And she goes, well, dear so-and-so and so-and-so, have you been putting cream in your carbonara? Because if you have, you are going to get the charcoal and stones. And this is a Pasta Queen service announcement.